Hey guys, it's your girl Lakia Maria and welcome to another video here on the channel. Whether you're new to the channel or an OG, I primarily share planning and organizational videos. And today I'm going to be sharing another Temu journaling haul. If you've never shopped with Temu before, I will have a code across the screen for you guys to save a percentage off your first order. I'll also have it linked in the description box along with all links to products featured and related videos. So let's go ahead and get right into the goodies. So this time around, I purchased more bags than necessary. So we're gonna start off with those, and then we will get into the other stationery journaling goodies that I picked out. So out of this stack of bags, let's start off with this one because I'm unsure of how I am going to use this, and I will have the actual product on the side of the screen for your reference as well. So this is supposed to be for like pads and whatnot, but of course think outside the box when you're using any type of storage. I think I might put stickers in here, but I really think that this would be good as like a first aid type of kit in my car, but I haven't fully decided because I already have 2 bags that I purchased from Temu in my car already. So I'm leaning towards having this in my car. And I just bought some of these standard pouches. This blush one I thought was really cute. I don't know if I'm going to put like my stationery stuff as I'm starting to store it and organize it, or if this may be one of the ones for my lip product. I also have stuff in my glove compartment that some of these bags could work nice with. I really like the colors on this one. These have a ribbed type of texture, as does this one. I am on a butterfly kick, so I love me some butterflies. I think this one might be my lippy pouch for sure. Then I ended up getting this trio set here. So you have this larger pouch, and then you have this more medium one. And I'm actually using this same exact bag to store my washi tape at the moment. It's not gonna be in that pouch forever, but now I have 2 bags like this, and then this pencil case. So now I have 3, and I have to figure out what I'm gonna be doing with these. Now this set in particular did come in different colors. Because I already had a brown one, I should have got black and white, but it is what it is. We'll make it work. These 2 washi tapes, I don't know. I'm just getting back into washi tape again. And I think a lot of that has to do with how easy it is to use in spreads. When you can fill white space, layer on top of it. There's a lot of options when it comes to washi tapes. Sticky notes, they have like a burned old school type of edge to it. That's another thing that I'm really into at the moment. These deco stickers, these are clear stickers. You do have to be a little bit careful because once they're on the page, they're on the page. These are not as pliable as you would get with like paper stickers. Lift these up and move them around, put them on something like washi tape, and it'll be easier to peel up. Doilies, which are just good for layering in general. These girl stickers. There's a shop that I used to order from that's no longer open, and these just reminded me of that. My niece really liked these stickers. Keeping along the lines of butterfly, this sticker book also has paper in the back. So you have your layering piece here. You could rip it up, do whatever you want to do with it. And then you have these stickers in the front. They are die cut stickers. You just have to take the white paper off the back, but it's quite a variety here. So as you can see, they are die cut stickers. You just have to peel the backing off and be very gentle in doing that because these are washi tape stickers and they are very fragile. I also bought this book of old magazine prints. As you can see, it's labeled for junk journaling, and there's just so many to choose from. And again, I'm on that vintage style vibe, and I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this one. And then also this little tiny one. It's so cute. Some of the stuff, I don't know exactly how I'm gonna use it yet, but I'm excited to play around with it and step outside of my normal box of how I put layouts together. And then last but not least, I have this sticker book, which has all different types of fun stickers. It's kind of like if you went on Google and just turned random Google images into stickers. This is that kind of sticker book, and I've already started using it in a couple of spreads, so that was fun. And then here's all the stickers on the back. So that is it for this haul, and I feel like I need to like stay off of Temu, to stay off of all the websites and buying journaling supplies, and really get down to using and organizing this stuff. But now that I am in my new place, it's going to be fun to organize and really start to create with everything that I have been accumulating and stuff that I already have that's packed up in storage that is now coming out, and I get to use everything at the same time. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Again, be sure to check out the code across the screen and in the description box for you to get a percentage off your first Temu order. I'll also have the links to everything in the description box, plus related videos. Let me know what you would like to see me use in the future in the comments. If you're not subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Thank you for taking the time to watch me talk about the things that I like. And I would love to chat with you in the comments. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.